The RGR Gleaner Sports Foundation has granted an extension for the submission of entries for the category awards, and that's at the upcoming National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year Awards Gala. That's the focus in tonight's preview. Despite the deadline having passed, the organizing committee has given a few more days to more than 30 national sporting associations to submit the names of their male and female athletes of the year. The various associations had up to the first week of December to decide on their selections, but with an extension being given, Chairman of the Selection Committee Mike Fennell says the process is nearing its completion.
Fairly advanced, but there's still a few that we're waiting on to get the names because we need to have the names checked and to ensure that the recognition is properly done without mistakes.
Fennell said the timeline was extended in order to ensure that other associations outside of those having nominees for the two major national awards get proper acknowledgement.
All the other sports do have their own best athlete, male and female, that they nominate. So we're trying to ensure that all sports get proper coverage on the night, and those who may not have reached the top of the international attention certainly will be recognized for their contribution domestically and in the region.
The awards gala takes place on Friday, January 17 at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in Kingston. Live coverage of the event will be on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network, OneSpotMedia.com and Hits 92 FM.